I got the cash in the bag, stadium.
Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I created this monstrous makeup look. This prosthetic is a generic Gucci prosthetic, so I have my work cut out for me quite a bit. I'm starting by pre-painting this piece using base colors, and I try to avoid the edges where I'm gonna glue it down. Shading the mauve base with dark cool tone reds with a tiny brush. I took my sweet time with this. I added yellow for the veins so it would look a little bit more interesting, I guess. I'm shading the outer skin using a purpley brown color, and I'm using a paper towel to just block out the parts I've painted. I colored the teeth using tans, and I wipe it off before it completely dries. Gives you that rustic, disgusting look. Now onto the horns. I decided to ombre them with dark red acrylic paint. And now we apply. Using a flat white brush, I'm using white cream as my base. And this is where I realized I should have probably done my bald cap first. So hairspray a ton in my hair and do a low ponytail. Did my bald cap off camera, but also don't forget, you need to cover your ears. And I'm looking real round. Start painting the bald cap white and finishing what I did earlier. At this point, I'm starting to lose it. I look like an egg in that yogurt commercial. Smoothing everything out with an airbrush. And shading my collarbone areas with the same purpley brown. Here I am doing a test fit, and yes, I cut the prosthetic into half, that way it would fit my face a little bit better, using powder to give myself a guide to later apply the adhesive. I start with the center of my chin, doing 2 layers of prosade, don't forget to powder in between. I stick the middle on, and then you can move on to the surrounding areas. You want to apply the glue past the powder outline you made, making sure everything lays down really nicely. I'm skipping a part but finesse the edges with spirit gum and alcohol. I did this till I'm satisfied. I painted the mouth area that might show through the prosthetic, and I powdered it really well. Do the same exact process on the top, glue the center down, but this time I'm coloring in the eye sockets with black eyeshadow, just so you don't see my skin from the outside. Make the powder outline and glue the rest down. After everything is glued, I am building up the edges with more prosade to make it appear seamless. Then I'm finishing any base color left. Now I'm shading the temples of my head, just making sure that it blends in with the prosthetic, and I added a bunch of layers of corpsing in tans and blues, reds, you name it. It's basically just moving your airbrush around and creating translucent random squiggly lines. I created wounds on my chest just to tie things together. Vigorously shaking my airbrush, I'm adding dimension by splattering different blood tones all over. You can also use a chip brush like this. Add blood to all the wounds and cuts. And I quickly painted my hands to match. Okay, this might be weird, but use lube and apply it on the teeth. This gives it a subtle shine. Using lip gloss for the high shine areas like the meaty parts. Next, we stick on the horns and last minute blood dressings on the mouth, hands, wherever you want. And we're done! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and even subscribe to my channel, or you can see my previous videos over here. Bye!